Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import media in Canva. I am showing and explaining every step. When you would like to learn more about editing photos, subscribe to my channel to see my next recent updates. But for now let's continue with this subject. To connect your social accounts you need to be in a design to edit it. So it looks something like this. To find all the options you go to More here at the left and then you scroll all the way down. And there you'll see here it says import your media. And these are all the social accounts you can connect. So why this is useful is when you have saved all your pictures in one of these accounts, because you can see all your pictures immediately without uploading each photo first. You just connect it and you see all of them. So I'll now show you how to connect them. So you click on account you want to connect. For example, I choose Google Drive. And then you click on connect. And now my device says that I can select one of my saved accounts that already logged in. So I click on one and scroll down and click on allow. And now you see all your pictures right here. And if it doesn't work, try it again a few times. The steps you need to take with other accounts you want to connect might be different, but it shows you exactly what you need to do. With connecting your Instagram, you only see all the cover pictures. So when you post a lot of pictures in one post, Canva doesn't let them see in here. But when you post all your pictures also on Facebook that you post on Instagram, you will see them in here. Now you see that I am logged in Facebook and my Google Drive. But there is a disadvantage. You will see that only one account connection will be saved. That is the last one you connected. That's because Canva lets you only connect one social account at a time. But when your device saves your password, you can easily switch between accounts. When you want to disconnect your account, you go to the menu and then go to account settings right here up above at the right. And then you can see here with connected social accounts which accounts are connected, and then you can click here on disconnect. And then you click disconnect again. So I hope these tips were useful for you, and if you have any questions let me know below in the comments and I will get back to you. I hope you enjoy making your own DIY photo.